Nice and lovely. Anyway, I have some leftover couscous and I'm gonna make a salad from it. So this is how it goes. That's the couscous and that's the red onion. And this is a fish. This is some boneless fish, alright? And I'm gonna make a lovely salad. This is some leftover food which I cooked yesterday and I wanna make a salad to bring to work. Alright guys, so some mixed leaf, and I'm going to put a little bit of spring onion. I can put the link in the description box how I make my couscous. And I'm gonna put some beetroot for flavor. It's gonna be really lovely and nice, honestly. I'm gonna squeeze half of a lemon inside of it. Some celery. Gonna put some olive oil. And I'm gonna put some parsley and coriander. Put some peri season and some pepper. Lovely. But it's gonna be just a simple little recipe. Very simple. Look at this now. Just simple, use a hand and just fold it in together. You know what I mean? You can use a spoon and just simple fold it in. If it's you gonna eat it, you don't have a problem. But look at this. So it's just so easy and simple. Look at that. Amazing. Really delicious. That's exactly what I'm talking about when I said let's make something fantastic. Coming really handy for you guys Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter, Facebook, Google Plus me, and get your favorite recipe from Chef Ricardo and the team. And we will see you with more recipe again and again. Look at that couscous salad. Very easy recipe, guys. And not only that, yeah, I put a little bit of the peri season, but also you can put a little bit on the outside. With some more pepper. Peri season is just really amazing. Just ask for peri season. Very easy. And you can get that in a local shop to buy. So simple and nice. So stay tuned. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter, Facebook, Google Plus me, and get your favorite recipe. Leftover couscous with fish. Really amazing salad. Enjoy it, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.